have been dying to film this video. Oh my goodness, what is this? You do feel extra something. It's just like a sensation that you don't feel with other regular skincare products. So that's why you're like, oh my goodness, what is this? And I do have a Black Friday discount code for you right here. Where are my soul sisters? Let me hear ya flow, sister. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It is your favorite EuniUnni in the house today. I am so happy to see you guys. I have been dying to film this video, so I'm actually so excited. I woke up excited to be able to share this news with you. Finally, I get to talk about VT Riddle Shot with you guys. I have been teasing this. I have been not being able to shut my mouth for the longest time. I've been sharing it on my Instagram, TikTok, YouTube Shorts, just everywhere. And I have been getting so many great responses from you guys asking for the review, so it is here. I'm gonna talk about what this baby is all about, how you can use it, all the do's and don'ts. Also, I do have a Black Friday discount code for you guys, so please stay tuned in. Let's get this party started. Okay, first things first, I do have to blame certain influencers. I was influenced by other Korean influencers to actually try this product. I really love Arangnim and Jellanim, and I saw so many contents from them where they kept on talking about VT Riddle Shot. So I was like, what the heck is this? And they would be raving about this product. And especially Arangnim, she was mentioning how you can see such a big, drastic result after just like one use. And she was like begging her subbies to at least try it just once. So I do have to say thank you to Arangnim and Jellanim because I was literally influenced by these influencers that I do love. So yes, that's how I started kind of, getting interested in this product. And that's why I started researching everything. I started checking out the customers' review on Amazon. I started checking out their website, and I saw their before and after pictures, and I was, oh my goodness. I was just blown away by the before and afters. They were crazy. Like, you can see improvement of skin complexion, skin elasticity. Also, acne scars and blemish scars looked so good. These pictures, it seemed like a before and after picture from almost like a clinical procedure or something, not a before and after picture of using a skincare product. So I was actually sold. After seeing this, I was like, no matter what, I don't know who you are or where you are, but I will come and I will find you. And let me just tell y'all, the VT Riddle Shot products did not disappoint. Let me just show you my before and afters, okay? In the morning, I couldn't help myself, but I had to turn on the camera because I was so wowed by how my skin looked. My skin was just glowing. I saw a clear difference in skin texture improvement, and look how brightened my skin tone looks. Look how astonished I look. Look how surprised I look by the results. And what I want to share with you is long-term results as well. Overall, I feel like my skin is more plumped, it's more tight. Every time I use the product, I feel like my skin just gets tighter and better. Plus, my pesky acne scars definitely faded much faster than it would normally take. Also, my pores, there's a clear difference and it's definitely less visible. Look at that, I love it. And also, VT did have clinical testings evaluating the pore improvement on human skin after using Riddle Shot 100 for 2 weeks. You can see that there's instant improvement in the vertical pore length, 31.25% reduction. Also for pore count, you can see the instant improvement of 38.08% reduction. And for the pore count, it doesn't literally mean that physically the pores disappear. That's like impossible. But it means that when they were doing the clinical testing, like they were able to see less visibility of the pores. So that's how you can check out the pore count. Now you probably want to know what the heck is VT Riddle Shot? Why is this product so good? What is the technology behind it? So let me tell you. Okay, so what makes the VT Riddle Shot so special is that it has micro-sized needles containing CICA that is smaller than the size of your pores, and this gets absorbed into your skin. It awakens our skin condition to provide a healthy rhythm for our skin. And you know what? It's just like so crazy how effective this product is and the multiple benefits that it can give you. If you are someone that loves all the benefits of microneedling, this will be amazing. And if you are someone like me that wants all the benefits from microneedling but did not want to use the needle, the physical needles to go back and forth on your skin and things like that, this will be a perfect choice for you. And the amazing thing is whatever you put on after the Riddle Shot, it actually creates a pathway. Yes, so CICA Riddle's mechanism is to create passageway to boost the absorption of following ingredients to soak in much faster and better into your skin. So whatever you use afterwards, you're gonna double, triple, quadruple the effect of the products as well. Alrighty guys, so finally let me share with you guys the details of each product and which one you should use and how to use it. Alright, so there's gonna be 3 different kinds I'm gonna be showing you today. It's the VT Riddle Shot 100, and you have the VT Riddle Shot 300, and you have the VT Riddle Shot 700. You can start from 100, then work your way up to 300 or even 700 later on when you get used to the product. For me, I use 100 mostly, and I use 300 at times. Alright, so the VT Riddle Shot 100 is for daily care, and the Riddle Shot 300 is intensive care for every 3 days. And for Riddle Shot 700, it's for special care per week. So for me right now, I'm actually using 100, and if you are a beginner, if this is your first time, you should start with 100 as well. Now, let's talk about the tingling and stinging sensation that you might feel. I am gonna let y'all know, I ain't gonna lie, when you first put on the 100 or 300 and 700, you're like, oh my goodness, what is this? You do feel extra something, but it's mostly when you first put it on, and afterwards it just gets more easier and better and better. And to be straightforward with you, it's not painful, but it's just like a sensation that you don't feel with other regular skincare products. So that's why you're like, oh my goodness, what is this? The Riddle Shot does contain fine needles that's smaller than the size of your pores, so you can feel like a tingling / stinging sensation at first. This is where the Riddle Shot is going in your skin stratum corneum, so this sensation is completely normal. That's why I'm gonna show you the exact how-tos and recommendations of the order that you should use it and with which product you should use it to get the best synergy effect. But keep in mind that it's very important for you to let your skin adjust to this product. Make sure to start with smaller amount and less frequency, and then later down the line add more amount and also add more frequency that suits your skin type and condition. Alright guys, so let's talk about the how-tos. For me, I actually chose a line with CICA because I thought it would be the perfect products to focus on calming, moisturizing effect, and also regenerating effect. But whatever products you do decide to apply afterwards, it will double, triple, quadruple the effect. Please do keep that in mind, that it does create a passageway, like a pathway for the ingredients to soak in better. And it's recommended to use the Riddle Shot for a night routine. Alright, so for my first timers and beginners, we are gonna start with the lowest intensity, which is the Riddle Shot 100. So after cleansing as a very first step, you're gonna use the Riddle Shot 100, and then I wanna recommend that you use a sheet mask afterwards. Now, I'm gonna be using the VT CICA Daily Soothing Mask. It's in a bulk of 30 sheet masks, so it's so affordable, and due to the immediate cooling effect, you can't feel the stinging or like tingling sensation from the Riddle Shot. So it's a really good tip. Plus, this sheet mask is amazing for calming and regenerating effect. And afterwards, I'm gonna finish off with the CICA cream, or you can use any other calming cream of your choice. Now, if you are someone like EuniUnni, my skin's not just sensitive, but it's extremely sensitive and it's extremely reactive. But you have been raving about VT Riddle Shot, so I have to try it. But for me, like, how do I use it? I wanna make sure that I, minimize the tingling sensation at first. And if this is you, I have the perfect steps. Now, if this is you, we're gonna use a sheet mask first. This will help to prep your skin a bit, creating a little bit of hydration cushion and barrier. Then use the Riddle Shot 100, and then you're gonna finish off with the cream of your choice. But I told you I love the VT CICA cream. It's a very lightweight green gel-like cooling texture. It's a perfect combination with the Riddle Shot, and it helps to soothe the sensation from the Riddle Shot as well. And it protects your skin by also creating a CICA-infused moisture barrier. So it's the perfect combo to use with the Riddle Shot, especially if you do have super sensitive skin. Alright, so for my normal skin types and other skin types, you can simply go in with the Reedle Shot 100 after cleansing and add an essence or a serum of your choice and then finish off with a moisturizer of your choice. Really simple, right? Now, when your skin gets used to the Reedle Shot, you can actually add other vitamin C products, other retinol products, or other products that you do want to add with higher actives and things like that. But in the beginning, make sure to use less amount and less frequency and then work your way up. And I do want to recommend that in the beginning, you do pair it with other calming and soothing and regenerating products that will help your skin. After Reedle Shot, your skin can be in a reset-like condition. So make sure that you apply sunscreen the next morning. All right, guys, thank you guys so much for hanging out with me. I just had so much to say because I wanted to tell you guys like the exact how-tos and for you guys to be able to see the full effects of the product. And I can guarantee you when you guys try this product the next morning, please film yourself and please upload it for me and please tag me. I cannot wait for you guys to see the results yourself. And I do have a Black Friday discount code for you right here. They're gonna have up to 20% discount and there is a secret additional 5% off code. So total of 25% off, you guys. This will be the highest discount that they will have on Amazon. So I will link everything in the description below. Please do check it out. And if you have any other questions, make sure to leave it in the comments below. I will get back to you because I know that you guys might have some questions about which products you can use with and things like that. So thank you. I love you. I know EuniUnni was extra excited, but when I come across a product that is so good, I just need my unicorns to try it out with me. So I hope that you really like it. I know you're gonna love it. So please do DM me after you try it, okay? I love you guys. Thank you and happy shopping for Black Friday and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye unicorns.